Error, root. Code for #md5 was not found when using any HG Mercurial commands. When trying to use any HG Mercurial commands on the console, I keep getting this error. I installed Python using homebrew and I am running macOS Catalina v. 10.15.1. Any reference would be appreciated. Here is the error I'm getting. I also tried following the instruction on this issue, but none of the solutions seem to work.
Managed to fix this by first unlinking openssl and then reinstalling Python. I also noticed that when running BrewDoctor, there was a warning related to an openssl folder found in. I deleted this folder before running the above commands, not sure if related.
Running brew reinstall Python at 2 didn't work for my existing Python 2.7 virtual environments. Inside them there were still error column root column code for #SHA1 was not found errors. I encountered this problem after I ran brew upgrade openssl. And here's the fix. Which shows, according to the existing version, run. Which shows. After that, run the following command in a Python 2.7 virtual env. Which shows. No more errors.
The case for me is that when I install dependencies of a Django web app, it messes up the environment. When I type cd, it shows the same error. The problem was the openssl library, it cannot find the correct ones. If you are on Macintosh, you can type ls to see all the versions. Brew switch openssl 1.0.xxxx to choose the available openssl version. Then the error is gone, smiley face.
Just uninstall Python 2. $brew uninstall Python at 2. If there is any error. $brew uninstall, ignore dependencies Python at 2.
He wants to support the channel. Be consider liking and subscribing.